Hi everyone, I'm Ash, and today I'm going to talk to you about a very cool e-wallet called Payeer. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon. I don't know why, but all the YouTubers say so. Anyway, this wallet is similar to PayPal and Perfect Money. You can transfer money to it from many passive income sites on the internet, and then transfer those funds from your Payeer wallet to your bank account in your country or even to your Visa card. However, not all countries and their banks support Payeer, so you might need to transfer your money from Payeer to PayPal, for example, and then to your bank account. What sets this wallet apart from others is, first, that it's very secure, and second, the possibility of safely trading cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies, with the potential to earn significant profits. Let's get to the main point: how to register on the site. Click on the direct link in the description box. This screen will appear. Then click on Create Account. The next page will appear, where you should enter your active email address and then click Create Account. They will send you a secret code to your email, enter it here and click Create Account again. You'll then be taken to another screen to set a password and confirm it. The address of your wallet will also be provided. These fields will be pre-filled, but you can change the numbers or keep them as they are. Next, on this page, enter your first and last name and the country you live in, then click Done, and your Payeer e-bank account will be activated. After logging into your account, you'll see your main information, including your PIN and wallet address, which always starts with the letters P. Make sure to download and save this information in a safe place. Here, you'll find all the fiat and cryptocurrencies available on the website. Starting with the menu on the left, I won't go into detail now, but I might do a separate video for each option. In general, here's what you need to know. ADD means adding funds to your Payeer account. Transfer allows you to transfer money from your account to another account. The big prize is currency trading, which is the best feature on the site. I'll be doing a series of videos to explain a safe way to trade. The exchange option allows you to convert from one currency to another, like rubles to dollars, for example. But trust me, don't open this option at all. I'll explain why in future videos. Finally, history shows the history of your transactions, including receiving and sending money. I'll leave it here for now, focusing on how to register for the Payeer wallet. If you found this explanation helpful, please support me so I can continue making these videos. Bye.